Hey guys, I'm Marshall from Burns Ford, showing you how to parallel park using the Ford Parking Assist. Today we're going to use this Ford Expedition King Ranch. So here's how you parallel park. You press this button down here, and then you turn the signal to which way you want to go. And then right here, you just pull up and wait for it to find you a spot. So we're just driving slowly, looking for a spot. Alright, then we stop, and then we release the steering wheel, and we put it in reverse. And then you have to go slowly and prepare to stop. So you gotta back up slowly, and the car will do it yourself. You just have to make sure that you see your surroundings and be ready to stop. And then you shift to drive. And then you have to wait slowly and prepare to stop. And then you're finished. That's all it takes to parallel park by itself.